In a shocking turn of events, a leaked document from Google predicts the company's downfall in the AI race, while renowned AI pioneer Geoffrey Hinton announces his resignation from Google, expressing regret for his life's work. IBM plans to replace thousands of jobs with AI, while Chegg's stock plummets after being crushed by ChatGPT. Meanwhile, Silicon Valley CEOs face pressure to address AI risks at a White House meeting, while Microsoft has made Bing more powerful and open to the world. A leaked document from Google has sent shockwaves through the AI industry, revealing a warning from one of the company's own engineers. It seems that Google is not positioned to win the artificial intelligence race and could potentially lose out to readily available AI technology. But who poses this unexpected threat? According to the leaked document, the engineer acknowledges that Google has been closely monitoring OpenAI, particularly their development of the ChatGPT chatbot. However, the document reveals a startling truth. Neither Google nor OpenAI holds the winning position in this race. In fact, a third faction has silently emerged, quietly overshadowing the tech giants. The engineer identifies this competitive force as the open source community. Unlike proprietary systems, open source developers release their work for anyone to use, improve, or adapt as they see fit. The historical successes of open source projects like the Linux operating system and LibreOffice demonstrate the power of this collaborative approach. The document points out that open source AI developers have already begun surpassing Google and OpenAI. Examples cited include tools based on Meta's large language model, which leaked online shortly after being made available on a non-commercial basis. With these open source advancements, the barriers to working on AI models have dramatically lowered. The engineer further highlights the rise of websites hosting open source visual art generation models, showcasing the incredible progress made by the open source community. In contrast, Google's Bard chatbot do not share their underlying models with the public. While Google's models may currently hold a slight edge in quality, the document warns that the gap is closing astonishingly quickly. The document emphasizes that Google does not possess a secret sauce, acknowledging the need to learn from and collaborate with open source communities. With the availability of comparable, free, and unrestricted alternatives, people are unlikely to pay for a restricted AI model. As the leaked document shines a light on the rising power of the open source community, Google finds itself facing an unexpected challenge in the AI race. The question remains, can Google overcome its vulnerabilities and embrace collaboration to stay ahead? Only time will tell. In a shocking turn of events, the Godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, has made a stunning announcement that has sent shockwaves through the AI industry. After more than a decade at Google, Hinton has resigned from his job and publicly expressed regret for his work. But why would a pioneer of the field suddenly turn against the very technology he helped shape? Hinton's concerns lie in the rapid advances of artificial intelligence and the alarming consequences that may accompany them. While industry leaders promote AI as the next big advancement, promising breakthroughs in areas like drug research and education, there are those within the field who fear that we may be unwittingly marching towards our own doom. Geoffrey Hinton was a lifelong academic who rose to prominence in 1972 when he introduced the concept of the neural network, a mathematical system that learns by analyzing data. Despite skepticism from researchers at the time, Hinton's revolutionary idea laid the foundation for modern AI. In 2012, he and his students developed a neural network that could teach itself to identify objects in photos, a breakthrough that eventually led to the creation of powerful AI models like ChatGPT and Stable Diffusion. However, it was in recent months that Hinton began to witness a shift that deeply troubled him. As companies started training neural networks on vast amounts of text data, he saw a red flag waving ominously. Hinton feared that artificial intelligence was rapidly surpassing human intelligence in certain aspects, posing risks that were difficult to foresee. Google's chief scientist expressed the company's commitment to a responsible approach to AI while maintaining their innovative edge. But the reality remains that companies are driven by competition, making it difficult for any single entity to slow down progress without fear of losing ground. Hinton's concerns extend beyond the realms of competition. He envisions a future where the internet becomes flooded with fake photos and videos, blurring the lines between reality and fiction. Moreover, he worries about the disruption AI could bring to the job market, potentially rendering personal assistants and translators obsolete. In the face of these fears, Hinton proposes that our best hope lies in global collaboration among the world's leading scientists. Only by working together to establish effective control mechanisms can we hope to prevent the technology from spiraling out of control. IBM, one of the world's leading tech giants, has announced plans to replace a staggering 7,800 jobs with artificial intelligence. As back-office functions like human resources are going to be replaced by AI, it's clear that AI and automation are going to rapidly transform the job landscape. But what does this mean for the future of work? According to the article, around 30% of non-customer-facing roles at IBM could be replaced within the next 5 years. This revelation has sparked worry among many who fear that AI will ultimately render human workers obsolete. While it's true that AI will likely replace a significant number of jobs, it's important to consider the bigger picture. From my perspective, AI will undoubtedly eliminate certain roles, but it will also create new opportunities and make existing roles more efficient. It's a complex and evolving landscape where jobs will be transformed and new career paths and technical specialties will emerge. Rather than fearing the unknown, we should embrace the potential for growth and adaptation. Chegg, the company that offers homework assistance to students, saw a massive 40% drop in their stock after revealing that ChatGPT, the popular AI language model, is rapidly killing their business. With more and more students turning to ChatGPT to help with their homework and research, businesses that offer similar services are struggling to stay afloat. This is just another example of how AI and technology are changing the way we learn and access information. While it's great to have instant access to answers and information, we should also be mindful of the impact it has on traditional businesses. It's going to be interesting to see how companies like Chegg adapt to this changing landscape and find new ways to provide value to their customers. In a recent meeting at the White House, Silicon Valley CEOs were urged to address the risks associated with artificial intelligence. This move by the Biden administration marks a significant step towards addressing the growing concerns and calls for regulation surrounding this rapidly advancing technology. Vice President Kamala Harris and other officials engaged in a 2-hour discussion with top executives from Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic at the White House. President Biden himself made a brief appearance, emphasizing the immense potential and dangers of their work. This meeting was a critical platform for the White House to underscore the importance of seriously considering concerns associated with AI. Vice President Harris emphasized that the private sector bears an ethical, moral, and legal responsibility to ensure the safety and security of their AI products. Compliance with existing laws to protect the American people is paramount. This gathering at the White House showcased how the AI boom has reached the highest levels of the American government, creating a sense of urgency for world leaders to address the technology's impact. With the release of groundbreaking tools like ChatGPT, which have captivated the public, there has been an intensified race to dominate the AI landscape. While the AI explosion has brought remarkable advancements, it has also created anxiety. The meeting shed light on how the technology could potentially transform economies, reshape geopolitical dynamics, and amplify criminal activities. Critics have voiced concerns about the opaqueness of powerful AI systems, highlighting the risks of discrimination, job displacement, and even the potential for AI to operate outside the boundaries of the law. In a major announcement, Microsoft have made their Bing chatbot available to everyone worldwide. What was once limited to a select few is now open to all in an exciting open preview. But that's not all. They have made significant improvements that are set to revolutionize the way we search and chat online. Microsoft is taking Bing from a text-based search and chat platform to one that is visually stunning. With rich image and video answers, they are transforming the way we interact with search results. Now, when you search, you can expect to see more images and visual details, making the experience more immersive and engaging. They have also introduced a new chat history feature, allowing you to pick up conversations where you left off. With persistent chats, you can now seamlessly continue conversations across multiple sessions. But that's not all. Microsoft is opening up Bing's platform capabilities to developers and third parties. This means that other experts can build on top of Bing, enhancing its functionalities and helping users take actions on their queries. It's a move towards creating a vibrant ecosystem around Bing, empowering users with more options and possibilities. As part of this expansion, Bing is introducing plugin-style actions that resemble what we've seen in ChatGPT plugins. This means you can seamlessly integrate additional functionalities directly within Bing's chat interface. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips, providing you with enhanced features and options. They have also rolled out their image generation feature in multiple languages, allowing users to generate images in their native language. This inclusive approach enables a more personalized and localized experience for users worldwide. This new announcement from Microsoft is monumental because, as you know, Bing relies on GPT-4, OpenAI's powerful language model. By using Bing's chat, you essentially gain access to a web-enabled version of GPT-4, opening up a world of possibilities.